Hey everybody, I'm just going to show you how I fixed my wireless headphones, my wireless earphones. I bought these originally at about like 60 bucks, maybe 70 bucks a while ago. Now they have the wireless earbuds produced by Apple, obviously, and those are pretty good. And Samsung has their own product as well. Those look pretty cool too. I think I'd like to get some of those. And there's a lot of off-brands as well, and I think this is the new form of headphones that we're going to see from here on out. I had this older pair. They're great because they're waterproof to an extent. I've gotten them really wet and they work fine. They're advertised as sport phone, headphones. They're off-brand, but they work great, and I don't regret buying them. And you can use them while you're exercising. You can see they go behind the ear here. I'm not going to do any commentary because I tried and it was goofy. So I'm just going to show you the process of me going through and investigating what the problem was. So basically I would turn it on with a long press and it would have a white light that would come on. And every time I tried to turn the volume up or down, it would short out. So go ahead and think that over in your head. Like, why is it shorting out? What's going on? What would make something to short out? Well, we know that if we take two wires that are connected to a power source and we cross them, like a positive and a negative, or you have, several wires for different buttons all going into a chip. If you accidentally touch, the wires, if you cross the beams, as I said in Ghostbusters, you're going to make it short out. You're going to cause some chaos. And that's why I suspected was happening, and I was actually right. So here it is. I'm not going to have any commentary from here on out. You can just see my investigative process and how easy it was to fix this. All I had to do really was separate the wires. So enjoy. I hope this helps anybody else who has a similar problem or gives you the confidence to go ahead and investigate something like this yourself and save money, basically. Cheers.